Okay, let me explain the situation. We have got snowpocalypse out there. 80 centimeters, the entire village is socked in, and there's an emergency. My neighbour down the road has got a young baby. They've run out of food. They're desperate. Someone has to help them. I'm not normally that kind of guy, but today I am that guy. I'm going to save the day. Someone's got to do it. It's going to be me. They need supplies. Young baby. What do babies eat? Babies. I haven't had a baby for milk. Oh, I need that for me. Soy sauce. Maybe I'll take the baby some yogurt. Maybe baby don't. This will do it. What's that curry sauce? That'll pick them up. What else do they need? What do I need? Quite nervous. I've never been a hero before, but now's the time. So we've got the curry sauce bag. How am I going to get there? I'm not walking. Sorry, dog. This is for emergency specialists, not you. Maybe I can drive. Well, that ain't happening. That ain't happening. I'm not walking. If only I had a machine to get through the snow. I'd be a hero. What have I got? Hang on a minute. This would probably make it through the snow. It's alright, little baby, I'm coming. It's going to be okay. Curry sauce. I'm coming, don't worry baby, won't be long. Hang in there, you'll get your curry. Okay. Drive carefully. Think of the baby. Don't even know where the baby is. Could be down the road. I'm coming, baby! Actually, I've thought about it. Come up with plan B. Screw the baby, let's just go have fun. Oh shit! Is that the time? Gotta go to work. Baby, look after yourself, it'll toughen you up. This morning I learned that there was a baby in need. A baby dying, stuck in the storm, a metre of snow, didn't have any food. It needed a hero, and I was that hero. So I did what I had to do and went to save that baby, but I turned back. I gave up. Gave up just because it was stupid, illegal, pointless and dangerous. But that's what heroism is. Wouldn't be any heroes if we didn't do stupid, illegal, pointless and dangerous things. So I'm going back. It's night time now. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to save that baby. I've got a plan. This time the baby's going to be saved. You stay back, dog. This is for heroes. You're not a hero, you're a dog. What this needs is a stealth approach, so the illegality of it doesn't overcome the practicality of saving a life. That's not the answer. This is the answer. I'm going to get through to that baby. Be the hero I've always deserved to be. Not you, you're too little, you are a baby. It's an ovation. When I'm a hero, that's what I'm going to get. A standing one. Not you, dog. This is for heroes, not dogs. Gonna go and save a baby. Oh, it's the wrong one. Don't worry, baby, I'm coming for you. Parents aren't gonna look after you. Fucking hopeless. See you later. Oh yeah, that'll do. Remember, Ovation, if you pull this off, it'll be your first baby rescue. Probably not your last. Once a hero, always a hero. Job's come looking for you. Hasn't been ridden since March 1922. I'm still a bit nervous. I guess when you get more familiar with being a hero, you're not as nervous, you just do it. That's what I'm going to do, just do it. Hero items, what do I need? What do babies need? Babies are like people, aren't they? Almost. Food, shelter, warmth. Oh, warmth. Chili sauce, that'll keep them warm as well, and be food. Shit! Shelter. What can a baby shelter in? Put a baby in a bucket? Baby'd fit in that. Can't carry it. How about a bag? Baby'd fit in a bag. They'd love it. Keep them toasty warm. Oh, perfect. You can sleep in this little box. Food, shelter, warmth. Baby is rescued. Oh, I'm a hero. If the cops stop me with these items, they're going to know what I'm up to. They'll probably just let me go. Maslow's hierarchy of needs will be fulfilled. And, go along now. I can get this one going. Okay, this is it. Being a hero, take 2. Nothing will stop me. Whoa, that might stop me. I'm on my way. Don't worry, baby. I'm coming to get ya. Is this where the baby is? I've come to rescue the baby. There's a dying baby here, right? I've come to rescue it. Where's the baby? Is it still alive? I tried to come this morning, I'm sorry, but I turned back. I've got chicken. I've got some stuff to keep your baby alive. Here, I've got a bottle. Are you the mama? Look, you need food, clothing and warmth. So I've got like something to keep the baby warm, and this is, it's curry sauce, sweet chili. That'll keep the baby warm too. Some more food, and here's some shelter, because you guys are struggling and I could die, so I'm a hero. Couldn't do it this morning.
Congratulations.
It's just helping, that's what we do. Oh, my bag. I've got other babies to rescue as well. They're everywhere, dying babies. Where's the next baby? Ah! Weak hero. Heroes don't need a hand. Oh, they could have one. If you could give me a hand, just pointing out where the next baby is.
I think first of all, your helmet.
Is your baby alive? I've been worried sick.
I hope so. Any noise, but I hope so.
I'm hoping to get through about 20 babies tonight. Thanks, baby. Find the baby. Where's the baby? The next one, I know that one's alright.
Must be up there.
Okay. Gotta go. No, seriously. Don't thank me. It's fine, it's just what we do. Get back to the garage. Fucking piece of shit. Oh no. my triumphant return. Screw it, you can stay there tonight then, if that's how you're going to treat me. I'm a hero. I'm a hero. You're not. You did nothing. You can sleep outside. It's over. You're done. Okay, now's the time I think I just gotta accept that my life has changed forever. I'm a hero. I think I can cope with it. Fame. Still gotta be nice to people. Get out of my fucking way, dog. You gotta treat everyone with respect. Doesn't matter if they're dogs or animals. They've all helped us get where they are, except it was me that did this, not that piece of shit sled. It was me, not you or you. Probably only about 10 minutes. Hello? What do you mean it's not ready yet? You said it would be ready. Do you know who you're talking to? You're talking to a hero. I saved a whole entire baby on my snowmobile. I said hero, not dickrat. You're the dickrat. Now, when you will hear about it, it's going to be virus. You don't tell a hero something